Now we've got the normal flour, and we're going to make some nice texture. Break it into 4 and put it through the machine. You see me doing it through the machine there? Yeah. Always go for the biggest one first. I'll go through this 4 times until I get to the required texture. Because I made 4 balls. So I'll pass it through a few times. Always using the dough. Folding it with dough. Covering it with dough. With flour. See how I've covered it with flour? Go smaller. Looks like a nice steak. It's the vegetarian steak.